This is the issue that my tester found when he was testing on the development server, is that the resume feature was not working. So when a client is taking an assessment and they want to save and log out and then come back in again, it will take them back to where they started. So here is the production server. I'm on an SDMI. I've gone through 10 pages. I save and log out. And then I can go back. Let's let's go back and log in again. So and resume survey, and you can see it takes me to page 11 of 54. So I want to show you what's happening on the development server. So now I'm on the development server, you can see, and I'm also taking an SDMI, and I have gotten to page 12. I'm going to save and log out. And then I'll go ahead and I'm going to just refresh this. And I'll put my assigned identifier back in and then find my therapist. And then log in, and it should take me to page 12. But you can see it just takes me back to page 3, which is what I've done. So let me do it one more time. So let's save and log out. And we'll put the assigned identifier in. In fact, how about I clear the cache? Okay, so I've cleared the cache, so I'm going to put in my assigned identifier, and then we'll find the therapist and log back in, and it should take us to page 12. Resume survey. And it takes me to page 3. So that's one thing that needs to be fixed. Thank you. Otherwise, everything else looks good.